arrived to the house and we're starting to unpack. This is kind of like a mud room here. And I don't know what this room is. We're gonna turn it into a second bathroom. And here's our washing. There's my husband. Here's our kitchen. Let me see if I can get a better shot. Here's the kitchen. Okay, into our living room. There's the front door. We didn't come through the front door. Here's our living room. Then we have the first bedroom here. The closet. Here's our one bathroom. The contractor's starting on Wednesday. All right, here's the second bedroom. And the third bedroom is over here. Yes, we plan to remove this red carpet. Alright, yeah, already got the wedding dress in the closet. And that's the interior of the house. This is our creek. We're on the other side of it today, exploring the property before we meet the cattle rancher who has the cows on our land. Cows out our kitchen window. That one on the right is the little calf, and that's the mama to the left. I'm tickled. Okay, so we hung up some temporary curtains in here, and we're gonna take, what are those called that we're taking down?
Skittish one, skittish cat is looking at me.
Oh yes, we have two cats. They live on our front porch, and they're very afraid of us. What is that thing called that you're taking down? Do you know?
Just the curtain rods.
Okay, so we're taking down the old curtain rods. if I woke up this morning because I was cold or I'm used to Daniel waking up around 3. But yeah, it's about 3 o'clock. I am heating up my tea and I guess I'm gonna get started for the day. I had an alarm set for 6, but I guess 3 o'clock is the new wake up time. Yeah, it says it's 3:11 on the oven. Welcome to the one and only bathroom in this house. And I got the wrong screwdriver and that's gonna flathead. Apparently it's like the normal in the area to only have one bathroom in your whole house. And the cowboy who has the cattle on our property, and the house he lives in, he has one bathroom and he has a 4-year-old and a newborn and his wife. And I'm just like, that does not work for me. We're hoping to put him in a second bathroom. But anyways, I'm just in here because there's like some nails and things that I can pull out without a crowbar. I thought I'd show you that. Just above this light up here, there is a ladybug. When we took down the curtain rods, they were like filled with ladybugs, and as I'm vacuuming, sweeping up and then vacuuming everything, dead ladybugs. This house is full of ladybugs. So I don't know if that means that we also have aphids in the house or it's just an ideal environment for them to come be in. But anyways, so here we go. Neighbor just pulled up who feeds the cats. Right there. Oh, we can't really see him. There he is. That's Tiny Tim. And he was just rolling around on the ground. You see, he has no tail. Where's his sister? I haven't seen her yet. But they're just waiting to get fed. Rob, the neighbor, he went over to the barn to feed Barney. And then he'll come over here to feed these two. So I'm going furniture shopping. And this is called Green Front. They have multiple warehouses with kind of like every style of furniture for every part of your house. So, maybe in this store. Nope, I don't know how to get in here. So, and we ate there the other night. What is that? Charlie's Waterfront Cafe. So, I'm gonna go see what they have in this other building. I heard this one has more traditional furniture, which is what I'm looking for. And we need a bed set, so that's specifically what I'm looking for today. So I have to share this with you guys. Oh God, it's so good. I checked my email, and there was an email from the property management company that I hired to find a consultant in the area and, you know, handle the pricing of the project we're doing and hire an architect and whatever. But I let them go, and I called them and told them why and stuff, and I was concerned that they were going to charge me more than what I already paid, or like say I owe them, or try to bill me for more hours or something. And I was really stressed out about that, because the cost of using this company, if I had made all the payments, was going to be more than what I'm paying the contractor to do all the plumbing in our house. So I got an email from them, and I hadn't heard from them. I ended my relationship with them before Christmas, like, I don't know, a week or something before Christmas. And so I got an email, and they were like apologizing for the gap of communication, and they were like, your account's closed, you owe nothing more. And they said, you know, we don't normally do this, but we reviewed your account and how everything unfolded, and we are going to refund your deposit. My deposit was over $800. So, whew, that is a nice piece of furniture, or maybe the kitchen like facelift I want to do. Yeah, so I am like, thank you, Jesus. Also, here is our dining room table. It has 2 leaves that we can put in it, and that's from my father and mother-in-law. It was at my sister-in-law's house, and she just got a new table, so she offered it to us, and my father-in-law just brought it over. So God is providing, and he's just handing back money. So